Today's a bright and early day. Got up at 4 a.m. had my normal coffee, yogurt breakfast, and now I'm out here at Buttonwillow. We're doing a shoot with uni. We're doing a sim racing project for MSI, and basically just how sim racing helps people prepare for actually driving on the track. And right now, there's a little bit of downtime. Buttonwillow, that's about 2 hours away from the MSI office. It's pretty cloudy today. It's nice and cool, not too hot. Today, we're just trying to get as many shots as we can of uni driving around the track. That's a wrap on the track day. It's 3:20 p.m. right now. It's about a 3+ hour drive to get back to MSI right now. We'll be meeting back up at Uni's tomorrow to do the PC build, to film all the different parts of the sim racing shots that we're gonna interweave between what we shot today and the PC building and sim racing part. Should be a lot of fun. So right now, they're upstairs filming. I get to play with this cute dog. So I really love just how this room looks. Like, you have so much sunlight coming in from these two windows, and then just you have this like beautiful wood accent on top with the white walls and these wooden shelves on the back. It's just a really, really nice little dining room area. I absolutely love it. I love how it looks. PC is done. It's down there, but we ran into a bit of an issue with the monitor, so we're going to be installing the monitor today. Hopefully we have all the right hardware and we should be finished within a few hours. Hopefully, fingers crossed, nothing goes wrong.
We finished with getting the monitor in place. Now that the build is done, it was time to make a few more upgrades and get
That's gonna wrap it up for the behind the scenes for Uni's video with MSI. It's been a long 2.5 days of filming at the track, at Uni's place, building the PC, and getting everything dialed in. So I can't wait to see the final video, but that's gonna be it for today. I'm ready to pass out. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.